PRP booster shots. Let's understand what exactly these are and are they actually necessary. PRP, by now all of you would know it's called platelet-rich plasma. This is a concentrate which is taken from the patient's blood and utilized in treatment of diseases affecting the muscles, the bone, ligaments, etc. Commonly used in conditions like arthritis. PRP is a kind of a mixture which helps bring about healing, a natural healing around the joints and ligaments, etc., which have got injured. And after a PRP is done, one thing what you all have to understand is no injection lasts forever. So usually a PRP booster shot might be necessary. The duration would vary, maybe about 6 months to a year's time. And how the PRP booster shot helps is it creates a healthy environment around that particular affected joint or that particular affected muscle and brings about a natural healing. And yes, I would definitely recommend patients who have already undergone PRP, if they get back pain, to undergo a PRP booster shot.